You're watching Tony R619 Frames. Yeah.
Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video. Today I have another box break, a blaster box break of 2018 Topps Archives. And we're still looking to get this card right here. The Shohei Ohtani, the Show Me the Money card of Shohei Ohtani. What do you guys think? You think he's going to win Rookie of the Year? There's also some coins. There's 2 coins per box. Maybe we can get the Ohtani and the Judge. You guys think he's going to win the Rookie of the Year? What do you guys think? 20 home runs, 4 wins. 4 wins, I think he has 4 wins, right? Alright, wish me luck, guys. So in the background you can see the Ohtani cards that I have so far. Well, I have those and a few others. I think I have a total of 7 Ohtanis. Alright, so hopefully we can add to that count. Here are the coins. And here are the packs of Topps Archives. Let's put this right here in the middle. There we go. Wish me luck, guys. So here we go. Hopefully we can get a Show Me the Money. I've been in an Ohtani roll. I've been getting a I've been pulling him lately. So hopefully the streak will continue. AJ Pollock, Lucas Giolito, Ricky Henderson, Brooke Robinson, Whitey Ford, and then we got our Sandlot Hercules. I think that's from the Nutty Professor, right? Matt Duffy and Reggie Jackson, Mr. October. Alright. Next pack. Brian Dozier, D. Gordon, Jordan Zimmerman, Jake Lamb, DJ LeMahieu. Shout out to KJ and Coming of Age. Is this an autograph? This is an on-card autograph, guys. I just scored an on-card autograph of Marty Barrett. Wow. Archives fan favorite certified autograph. On card. That's a beautiful autograph. Wow, look at that. Cool. Marty Barrett on card autograph. Nice. Rod Carew and Willie Stargell. Alright. Hopefully we can get a Juan Soto card too. Man, that's a very nice on-card autograph. He's got a very nice signature. And I remember him. I remember watching him play. Adrian Beltre, Gary Cooper, Corey Neville, Felipe Vasquez. And then we got Topps Rookie History of Al Kaline. It's like an insert reprint. Cool. Mike Trout. Very nice. Jose Ramirez, Starling Castro. Alright. That's back. Jack Flaherty, Orlando Cepeda, Chris Archer, Francisco Lindor. Shout out to Todd B and Snapzilla. Mookie Betts. Turn back the clock 40 years ago. Willie McCovey. Hit the 500 home run. Cool. Gregory Polanco and Elvis Andrews. Alright, next pack. Got 3 more packs to try to show me the money. Show he the money. Jinto May. Very nice. Didn't even know I had seen that one. Sandy Koufax. Manny Machado was with my Dodgers. Let's go Dodgers. Chris Davis. We got Andrew Stevenson rookie card for the Nationals. We got the rookies of Marlins Future Stars. Sandy Alcantara, Gary Cooper, and Brian Anderson. I think he's in contention for National League Rookie of the Year. Corey Kluber, American League Cy Young. and Dustin Pedroia. Alright, 2 more packs to try to get a Soto or a Shohei Ohtani. Jake Odorizzi, Tyler Glasnow, Al Newhouser, Barry Larkin, Roger Clemens, John Newcomb, Tomas Nido, and Harmon Killebrew. Alright, last pack mojo, guys. Last pack mojo. Puig. Shout out to Jose Romero. Miguel Cabrera. Avisel Garcia. Don Sutton. Shout out to the Pino Man. Cardinals Enos Slaughter. Shout out to Adam Ha. Twins Terrors, Barrios, and Rosario. Shout out to Dustin and Blake. Tom Glavine for the Braves. Shout out to Gators MLB. And Randy Johnson for the Diamondbacks. So no Shohei Ohtani, but look at this beautiful on-card autograph. That is just nice. Alright, thank you guys. Oh, forgot the coins. Let's open up these coins. Alright, first coin is, oh nice, Scotty Smalls. You killing me, Smalls. Very nice. And our next coin is Rafael Devers. There it is. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.